How pretty. Tight. Go with the dress. How pretty.
Happy birthday, Paige. Love you.
You look so pretty when you go to school.
You're welcome, sweetie. I hope you like your tights and your new dress. So, Paige, this isn't your birthday, but we're celebrating your birthday because you were sick on your birthday and we couldn't actually celebrate. So, how old are you?
4.
4.
4.
4. Wow. You've really gotten big, haven't you? So, do you want to see something special? It's kind of like an early Christmas present.
I am done.
Okay, hang on. Why don't you put your drink down? Put your drink down. Okay. Close your eyes. Come here. Come here. Close your eyes. Cover your eyes. Okay, are you ready? Okay, keep walking. Keep walking. Okay, keep walking. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, now. Go look in the yard. What do you see? What do you see, Gabriel? Okay, I guess he's done eating. Hey. You're climbing the rock wall in your pretty new birthday dress. Uh-oh. She has a cough. Can you make it all the way up?
Yes.
Good job. Let's see if Gabriel knows how to join you.
I want to see your phone.
Well, hang on, I'm watching Gabriel first. Okay, you gonna slide down? Go ahead. Whee! Look in the backyard. Look at what we've got. Happy birthday to you. Blow him out. Blow him out.
Are those the funny ones?
So good job. Woo! Yay! Yay! Clap for her, Gabriel. Clap. Yay! Paige, how's she doing with cutting the cake?
6.
Hmm?
7.
Is she doing a good job cutting the cake?
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. Look.
Can you cut that, Mommy? Cut that.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, okay.
What was the funniest part?
Don't touch it. The funnest.
Oh, the funnest part.
Okay, okay.
What did she say?
The funnest part.
Oh, it's a birthday.
Can I have that one?
Well, Paige gets to choose first because it's her birthday. Which piece do you want, Paige?
I want that one.
Okay. Okay.
That one.
Of course, the one she goes for is the very middle.
That's okay.
I had to go to the outside first, I guess.
No. Hi.
There we go. So, Allison, what's one thing you like about the playground?
I like everything.
Mm-hmm.
Also, I like the slide.
What do you like? You like the slide?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I like this side too.
You like the slide too?
Me too.
Mm-hmm. You too? How about you, Gabriel? What do you like the best on the playground?
No cake.
We are the best.
What?
The cake.
Mm-hmm. You know what? You're gonna have a little boy cousin to play with in a few months. Did you know that? Well, you got. Woo! Good job! Woo woo! Nice job. Oh, almost.
I'm gonna hold it straight.
Almost. You did it. Wow, look at you. Oh, you did it. Good job. Wow, nice job.
Awesome.
Is he the pirate coming to get the girls in distress?
Okay.
Don't push. And this is what girls on sugar look like. Gabriel, what are you doing up there? Be careful you don't fall down with that thing. You coming down? Whoa! He's walking around trying to look through this thing while he's walking. Here he comes, here he comes. Here comes the boy.